Hey guys, it's Janice, the Internet Marketing Nomad, and it's a few minutes past Easter Friday. I can't believe I'm doing this video so late. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick update video with you and tell you what's going on with baked beans and roast beef. And I also want to remind you that I am not a financial advisor, and what I'm doing here is I'm sharing my own personal journey with you, and I don't tell you what to do with your money. I just like to share with you what I'm doing and what I'm finding out there and different ways that people can make money online. And I'm doing some research for all of us and sharing the research with you. Whatever you do, you make your own decisions. And thank you, Junebug, for reminding me to do that in my videos. Okay, so anyway, without further ado, what's to update? Well, actually today now, because it's after midnight, Baked Beans is going to be making some announcements about some new projects that they are coming out with. I don't know what they are. There could be a new miner. There could be a new staking dApp. I don't know. They won't tell us a whole lot. But they did do a poll in the Telegram group to ask us if they came out with a new miner, on what chain would we like to see it be done on. And actually, the chain that I chose was actually the most popular one as well. So it looks like we're all on the same page. But I will provide you with the updates tomorrow after I learn them. There will be an AMA. So if you are in Baked Beans and you're not in the Telegram group, why the heck not? All you have to do is go to, why is my thing so dim? All you have to do is go to the Baked Beans dApp, and down here, click on this little thing right there, and it'll take you to an invitation to join the Telegram group. Okay. Also, they have a Twitter group, Twitter page. So click on there and help support their Twitter, if you would. And I haven't logged into my wallet. That's why everything says 0 here. What was the other update? I just wanted to tell you that in roast beef came back, answered some questions inside the group. Today, a lot of people were really questioning them about that line 25 in the contract about referral commissions going to the developer's wallet. And they came back and said that wallet will be used to pay for marketing and all of that stuff. And a lot of people had a lot of rebuttal about that. Anyway, you can go into their group and read it if you want. But in the end, they did say that was a test account, that particular contract is a test account, or a test contract, pardon me, and that the contract is being audited by Hayes Crypto. Maybe it's ready now. I don't know, but there's nowhere for us to find it. And the other thing I wanted to do was tell you that they also came out with a white paper, and you can see the white paper by going to the roastbeef.io app, and there's a link there to the white paper. Now, their white paper is not like any other white paper I've ever seen. It literally is an FAQ sheet. It's very, 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 very similar, like not exactly, but almost exactly the same as the Baked Beans FAQ sheet, just a different design, and they've reconfigured their answers slightly differently. It's not really a white paper, okay? So I hope that they've got something better coming for their own sake. I do wish them success. We'll see how it goes, but still, I don't have a referral link for you, and I will not have one for you. Okay, because I'm pretty excited about the Baked Beans projects that are coming up. These guys have proven themselves to know what they're doing. And so yeah, I'll update you with that tomorrow, today, later. And also, I want to let you know that I've been working on, I'm going really slowly. I am putting together a Facebook group, and I'm going to be running a contest. And once I have it together, I will announce it here on the channel. And what I'm going to do, I was thinking about it today, what kind of a contest can I do? So what I'd like to do is I would like to divide one BNB amongst 4 people. Once I've figured out how I'm going to administer the contest, you'll be the first to know. And I'll probably keep the contest open for about a month. And details are yet to come. So that's really it. Oh, except for, let's do this. You guys, baked beans has just surpassed 31,000 BNB? Let me have a look here. Yep, they're almost at 31,500 BNB. They're over 13 million, I think. Let's have a quick look here. And they are the #1 miner in dApp radar now. So, yep, BNB value is over 13 million. Congratulations, baked bean devs and everybody, all the members and everybody who's working hard at sustaining this miner. It's just going incredibly well. And for those of you who think it's too late to join, it's not, okay? It just isn't. It's not one of those staking dApps where you lock in for 8 days and you can't withdraw until after the 8th day. And then by the time if you joined a week after it started, by the time your withdrawal date comes up, there's no money left in the contract. That is so not what this is about. It is completely different than that. Okay, so if you want to know more about it, just go watch some of my other videos and see what it's all about. It is not too late to join. Okay, not financial advice. I think that's it, guys. I actually have deposited some more, I baked some more beans. I'm not talking about rebaking, I'm talking about baked. I baked some more beans, so my beans count is going up quite well. And if you guys want to know how much beans are worth, I can't answer that. Please read the FAQs. There's a website link below and you can download the FAQs there, and it will explain why there is no set price for beans. Okay, so yeah, they're getting pretty tired of that question inside of the Telegram group, and they've actually pinned a post about it. So just don't ask. Just know you get a lot. You get a lot of beans, and that's what your rewards are based on. And the beans are miners. Okay, just a little reminder there. So stay tuned for an update tomorrow, Saturday, the 16th of April. And also stay tuned for my contest, where I'll be sharing 1 BNB to 4 winners, okay? And I will tell you about the details of that as soon as I have figured out how I'm going to implement it all. Okay, so with that, I wish you all a happy Easter, happy baked beans mining. If you haven't joined Baked Beans yet, the link is down below. You have to click on my website, and the link is inside of my website, okay? I don't leave my referral link right in the description. And also make sure you please read the description. I actually have pasted some facts, some FAQs right in the description, okay? So you don't even have to download anything right away. You can just go in there and you can read all about it, okay? So thanks again, you guys. This is Janice. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. I so appreciate your support. You all have been amazing lately, and I want to just thank you so much. Hit the notification bell. Have a wonderful Easter, however you celebrate your Easter. I'm going skiing for the last time this year, and then I'll be riding my mountain bike a lot. So I will see you in the next video update. Ciao for now.